There we go. I think I created the last part I need to a time machine. Let's hope it works. Yes! It works! I created a time machine! Woo-hoo! Okay, Echo, let's enter the time machine.
Okay, let's go.
Wow. Looks like we landed in 2060 or something.
Look at those cool buildings.
I know. Aren't they incredible? Wow. Let's have a look around. Come on, Echo. Whoa, what did you find?
I'm not sure.
Looks like a flying car. Want to ride it?
Totally.
Yeah, let's do it. Hello? Can we ride on this? Is anyone here? I don't know where they are, Echo. Oh, over there. It's a robot. Let's ask him.
Hi, my name is Alex. You can ride my flying car.
Great.
I will be your driver.
Okay. Okay. Get ready. Whoa, this is way different. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. This city, it's amazing.
I don't like our robot driver.
Why do you say that?
He isn't driving.
Oh, yeah. He isn't working. What's gonna happen now?
We're gonna crash.
You're probably right. Oh, no. What should we do?
Do you know how to drive it?
No, I don't know how.
We're gonna have to jump out.
I guess that's the only option. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jump! We survived! Oh. Oh.
Phew.
Hopefully Alex the robot is okay. Let's go check. There he is!
Is he gonna be okay?
Yeah, I think he'll be fine. Okay, I'll fix him.
Can I hand you the tools?
Yeah, you can help. Okay, he's good to go.
Thank you for fixing me.
You're welcome. I think I've had enough adventure. Let's get back to the present. Oh, that's why I made this. to the present.